Good morning, students. Please send me your attendance, बच्चे. Good morning, Navjot. Good morning, Prableen. Good morning, Harshneet. Good morning, Isha. Good morning, Varda. Good morning, Jasmine too. Good morning, Singh Saki. Welcome. Very happy to see you. Okay. Next, who is left? What about Pooja? I have sent message to Pooja also. Good morning, Aryande. Okay, बच्चे. Yesterday, the students who left, they can just send me attendance in between. Yesterday, I have discussed with you about menstruation cycle. Hope every concept, everything is clear to you regarding menstruation cycle. If anything left, any doubt regarding menstruation cycle, please let me know right now. Or so you can just send me on WhatsApp so that after this, now I just started topic 8. This is the last topic of the sexual reproduction in animals. In the topic asexual reproduction, I just discussed little bit in live class because I will just send recorded video on this topic. It is very easy topic. You can just watch that video and let me know about your doubts. Then I start a chapter biomolecules and syllabus for your assessment. August assessment is human nutrition. Is that clear? Okay, bache, it will be 20 marks. Yes, beta, any doubt for this menstruation cycle, please let me know. Or everything is clear. It was very easy. Good morning, Mehtab. Good morning. Okay. It means you have seen, Singh Saki, beta, you have seen my video yesterday. That's why you have no doubt. You was not present, I think. You was absent yesterday. You have not sent me attendance. Yes, bache? Okay, bache, Brablin, Harshneet, Isha, Navjot, Varda, and any other students, please let me know whether the concept is clear or not, what we have done yesterday. Okay, you have seen repeat telecast. Very good. Okay, it means no doubt everything is cleared. Good morning, Anchal. Beta, be on time always. Okay. Okay, it means everything is clear. I just got answer from all the students. Everything is clear. Sorry. Let's start the topic. AIDS. Yes. AIDS, it is a very, very important topic. Many this is very important. Like many of the time they ask question from this topic. AIDS full form. So first of all, we have to discuss. AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. एक्वायर्ड का मतलब होता है इट इज एक्वायर्ड, नॉट born with, acquired during lifetime. ठीक है, it is not born with, that person is not born with disease except the case of, except in, I just got message from one of the student. It is the message from Singh Sakhi. Okay, that's good. You have just sent me a full form of AIDS. It is very good. Okay, acquired means it is acquired during the lifetime. It is not inherited except case of, it can be just passed to a fetus through a mother during delivery or through placenta or breast milk. Clear? It is acquired. Immuno, what do you mean by immuno? Immuno means it affect body immune system. ठीक है, it is because it affect immune system of our body. The virus that cause AIDS directly, it act on immune system. Is that clear? Deficiency, ठीक है, and deficiency means not working, like malfunctioning of immune system. Syndrome, syndrome means set of symptoms occur together for multiple diseases. Like AIDS is not a one disease, it consists of a multiple symptoms of different diseases. This is called syndrome. Like the AIDS patient not suffering from one AIDS, that patient can be suffering from pneumonia, tuberculosis, or any other disease. So AIDS is syndrome, not a disease. AIDS एक disease नहीं है, it is a syndrome. Syndrome means multiple set of symptoms occur together for different diseases. Clear? So AIDS की definition क्या है? Acquired means transmitted from person to person, but not from birth. Immuno, it affect the body immune system and the part of body which immune system क्या होता है? What do you mean by immune system? Immune system which protect us. It act as a defense mechanism, protect us from various diseases. It protect us from various diseases. Clear बच्चे? Board is beta, everything is clear regarding board. I think now it is okay. ठीक है? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired means not born with. Immuno affect immune system of the body. Immune system means the system of the body which act as defense mechanism, protect us from various diseases. Deficiency, deficiency मतलब malfunctioning of the immune system. Syndrome, group of symptoms occur together for a different diseases. So it is caused by a HIV virus. This is a viral disease. H मतलब human, I मतलब immuno, V मतलब deficiency virus. ह्यूमन इम्यूनोडेफिशिएंसी वायरस. जो ये वायरस होता है, like some student they're just getting confused in exam regarding AIDS and virus. AIDS is caused by HIV virus. ठीक है, you should know about its full form. It is very very important. Next, after this you should know about the incubation period. What do you mean by incubation period, beta? Anyone, please let me know. Don't use Google for this. Incubation period. What do you mean by incubation period? Send me message, bache. Let me check now who is present. Who send me attendance now? Good morning, Dilpreet. Okay, beta, I'm just waiting for your answer. What do you mean by incubation period? Without using Google, send me answer. Okay, I have not received any answer from any of the student. So incubation period होता है infection, like the infectious agent when enter into body, and development of first symptom of that disease. In between that period is called incubation period. ठीक है, first attack of that agent, infectious agent, and development of first symptoms. I think I have just received answer from one of the. No, Bachi, this is not incubation period. I'm not talking about that incubation period which we do in autoclaving. That is a different thing. Incubation period होता है infection और symptoms के जो first symptom develop होता है, the time period in between, that is called incubation period. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं होता कि एकदम से इन्फेक्शियस एजेंट एंटर कर गया उसी दिन आप डिजीज डेवलप हो जाएगी, उसी दिन आपको पता लग जाएगा. इट विल जस्ट टेक टाइम. मतलब अंदर जाता है, स्प्रेड करता है, मल्टीप्लाई करता है, अपना इफेक्ट शो करता है, सिम्टम्स डेवलप होते हैं. इट विल जस्ट टेक टाइम. दैट इज कॉल्ड इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड. सो इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड फॉर एड्स इज 6 months to 6 years. इन बिटवीन कभी भी ये इफेक्ट शो कर सकता है. सो इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड फॉर एड्स इज 6 months to 6 years. Clear? Now I think it is clear to everyone. Okay, beta. Now next is mode of transmission. Next is mode of transmission. Mode of transmission means how disease spread from one person to another. Haji. First of all, it's spread. Let me check the question from Varda. Bache, I got 2 questions from Varda and Dilpreet. Have some patience. Okay, in the end, you will come to know about the answer of your question. Let me discuss the topic. Because आपने बिल्कुल end वाला question पूछ लिया है. Let me discuss the topic one by one, step by step. You will just come to know about the answer. Definitely. In the end of topic. End of topic, I asked you this question, then you will send me the answer of this question. 100%. Is that clear? Let me discuss the topic first. Today that Singsaki is also active, very active. She is just sending me answer of every question. Good, very good. Okay. Now, bache, let me discuss. Mode of transmission. See, it can be sorry again. Okay, it can be transmitted through blood transfusion, blood products. You can say blood products. ब्लड प्रोडक्ट्स में आ जाता है बच्चे, लाइक ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन के टाइम पे, ब्लड डोनेशन के टाइम पे, let's suppose one person is infected with AIDS or HIV virus, and that person is donating the blood without any knowledge of doctor, या डॉक्टर ने चेक नहीं किया, and then that person will also will suffer from this disease. Even blood transfusion, organ transplant के time पे भी आ जाता है. Like it will pass through blood, infected blood. Razor we use for shaving. ठीक है, and when the infected needle, when we use for one person and same needle we're just using to another person, there will be more chances of spread of this disease. It will be just passed through semen because it is a sexually transmitted disease. ठीक है, everyone is now aware about semen. I have discussed in male reproductive system about the semen. Then it will be passed through a breast milk. It will be passed through a fetus, through mother by a placenta. Clear? So these are the mode of means by which disease can be spread from one person to another. Is that clear? Now the question is, how HIV is not transmitted. This was a question, how it spread from one person to another. Now the question is, how HIV is not transmitted. How HIV is not transmitted. हाँ जी. See, HIV is not transmitted by hugging, kissing, sharing towel, sharing utensils, sharing food, and eating food made by the infected person. ठीक है, मतलब these things cannot share the this HIV. ठीक है, clear? Kissing, hugging, sharing bed, sharing towel, ठीक है, by sharing utensils. Even eating food made by that infected person, it will not spread the AIDS. It will just pass through blood products. Clear, bache? Next, beta, what are the symptoms of this disease? Next, we have to discuss about symptoms. Mama, I have done. Symptoms of disease. हाँ जी, बेटा weight lose, fever, persistence स्किन में रैशेज हो जाते हैं, डायरिया हो जाता है, विजन भी लॉस हो जाती है, नजिया, वॉमिटिंग, लाइक persistence डायरिया रहता है, विजन भी लॉस होने का डर रहता है. और मोरेवर जो सिम्टम्स होते हैं, लाइक एड्स पेशेंट के केस में ऐसा नहीं होता. लाइक एड्स पेशेंट के केस में क्या होता है कि इम्यून सिस्टम बहुत वीक होता है, बॉडी इज नॉट एबल टू work for diseases, against diseases. So agar that person is suffering from small cold, then it will very soon lead to pneumonia. If that person is suffering from cough, very soon it will be just converted into the tuberculosis. So AIDS patient, it is a syndrome, not disease. Like multiple set of symptoms of all different diseases. ठीक है, एक डिजीज नहीं है. इट्स नॉट, वी लाइक नेवर लेबल दैट एड्स इज अ सिंगल डिजीज. ठीक है, बिकॉज एड्स के केस में क्या होता है कि कोई भी डिजीज हो जाती है, बिकॉज अगर छोटी सी भी इन्फेक्शन हो, बहुत जल्दी वो डिजीज डेवलप हो जाती है, तो इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट टू प्रिवेंट फ्रॉम दिस डिजीज बिकॉज ऑफ अवर इम्यून सिस्टम बिकम वीक. नाउ हाउ दिस HIV वर्क, HIV वर्क कैसे करता है? ठीक है, नाउ दिस इज द क्वेश्चन in our body. Or you can say effect of HIV, because I already discussed with you, this is disease related to immune system. It directly affect on our immune system. Effect of HIV on immune system. Clear बच्चे? ठीक है. See, now first of all, before doing this, you should know about little bit about immune system. हाँ जी बच्चे, what do you mean by immune system? Immune system क्या होता है? Immune system, like in our body, immune system is there. It is actually, you can say, that present since birth. Like it provides us a type of immunity called innate immunity. That is present since birth. जो birth से ही present होता है immune system. It protects us from various diseases, act as soldier and squeezer for our body. Immune system. Immune system consists of special kind of cells that is called white blood cells. Now I'm just talking about only immune system. Then I discuss with you about the effect of HIV on immune system. Immune system consists of white blood cells in our body. Okay, these white blood cells are of further two types. One is called phagocytes and one is called leukocytes. Clear? Now, what do you mean by phagocytes? Like, bache, see, I already discussed this topic in grade 10 IGCSE and grade 9th, same topic. When any pathogen, any infectious agent enter into our body, our immune system recognize it, gets activated in response to that pathogen. Let's suppose this is a pathogen. This is a white portion. This is a pathogen. You can say it is a bacteria. It can be virus. When it enter into our body, our immune system gets activated in response to that pathogen. See, Every pathogen consists of a protein molecule on its surface, and this protein molecule is called antigen. It is called antigen. Clear? Antigen क्या होता है? Like antigen activates, stimulates the production of antibodies in our immune system. ठीक है, जैसे पैथोजन के ऊपर ये एंटीजन होता है, जैसे ये बॉडी में एंटर करता है, our immune system gets activated in response to that antigen and start producing white antibodies against that pathogen, against that antigen. Antigen and antibody bind. Let's suppose this is the antibodies produced in our body in response to that pathogen. That antibody binds with that antigen and kill its effect. But you open your book, read this topic for 2 minutes. I just give you 2 minutes time. Please read it, what I discuss with you. Okay, बच्चे? Okay, now antigen fight against that antibodies. It is like a lock and key. Every lock, particular key is there. One key will not be able to open all the lock. Even one key is not able to open 2 locks. Every lock, particular key. For every antigen, there will be production of particular antibody. So there will be specificity. Clear, bache? There will be specificity. Clear? So, bache, now I'm just talking about the 2 cells, white blood cells. They just produce phagocytes and they produce leukocytes. What is the work of phagocytes? Phagocytes recognize when any foreign particles like a pathogen enter into our body and to recognize that foreign particles, that engulf it and break them. The process is called phagocytosis. Clear? Same now is leukocytes. Leukocytes produce 2 type of cells. One is B cells, and one is T cells. These cells produce antibodies in response to pathogen, in response to antigen. And these antibodies bind with it, kill its effect, and prevent us from infectious diseases. This is the role of immune system, not given in your book, but still you should know about this. Because if you are doing AIDS, here the topic on the focus, main focus on the topic immune system, you should know about little bit about immune system. Now, how HIV affect on immune system? This is the topic, main topic. Let me just start discussion on this topic. Hanji. See, for other diseases, if any pathogen, like pathogen मतलब बेटा कोई भी disease होती है उसके लिए responsible कौन होता है? Pathogen, infectious agent. Primary cause of disease is infectious agent. It can be a bacteria, it can be virus, it can be fungi. Any pathogen that enter into body cause disease. ठीक है? So बच्चे पैथोजन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर डिजीज. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि सॉरी टुडे आई एम नॉट वेल. पैथोजन क्या करता है? इट कॉजेज इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज. और उस केस में अब क्या होता है कि हमारा जो इम्यून सिस्टम होता है, मोस्ट ऑफ द पैथोजन फॉर एंटीजन लाइक दैट इज प्रेजेंट ऑन दैट पैथोजन, they when enter into body they start producing antibodies against it and protect us from many diseases. But in case of HIV, that virus attack on immune system. Now uska attack immune system pe hua hai which protect us from various diseases. So this HIV directly attack on immune system. Now immune system is immune system is not able to produce antibodies. Immune system is not able to produce antibodies. Clear? ठीक है? So अब क्या है HIV वायरस अटैक ऑन इम्यून सिस्टम इज नॉट एबल टू प्रोड्यूस एंटीबॉडीज बिकॉज इसने क्या किया, इम्यून सिस्टम पे ही इफेक्ट किया, उसी को वीक किया. नाउ इफ एनी इन्फेक्शन, इफ एनी एजेंट, लाइक ये डिजीज नहीं करता, एड्स डिजीज नहीं करता, वायरस ने अटैक इम्यून सिस्टम पे किया है. तो जिससे क्या होता है कि इम्यून सिस्टम प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम वेरियस डिजीज. ठीक है, लेट्स सपोज किसी को स्मॉल थोड़ा सा कोल्ड हुआ है तो भी वो इम्यून सिस्टम वर्क नहीं करेगा, एंड दैट कोल्ड इफ वी विल नॉट ट्रीट इट विल वेरी सून लीड टू अ pneumonia. Then that person will show the symptoms of pneumonia. So it is called syndrome, bache. Let's suppose that person is suffering from cough. Very soon it will be just lead to a respiratory disease, tuberculosis, also infect lungs. That person will show the symptoms of tuberculosis. Clear? In this way, that virus attack of our immune system, weak immune system, not able to produce antibodies to fight against that antigen. I think now everything is clear about the AIDS. Hanji bachchi, it is clear or not? Now Vardha and Dilpreet asked me to question. Now I'm just going to give the answer of that question in the form of a different question I just gave you, but almost your questions are same. Let me ask the question. Let me discuss this question. Hanji, actually, this is a viral disease. Okay. Now the question is, it is also related to AIDS, or it is also related to other viral disease, even like coronavirus also. This question belongs to a different disease that are related to viral. Why it is difficult to make antiviral drugs. ठीक है, why it is very difficult to make antiviral drugs? Beta, first of all, I will just talk about sorry, antibiotic. ठीक है, Hanji, I got answer from the many of the student. Concept is clear. Okay. Hanji beta. So why अलग एंटीबायोटिक क्या करते हैं? एंटीबायोटिक वर्क अगेंस्ट बैक्टीरियल डिजीजेस. ठीक है, एंटीबायोटिक वर्क अगेंस्ट बैक्टीरियल डिजीजेस. क्या करते हैं? When we're just suffering from any bacterial disease, we're just taking antibiotic. That antibiotic block the cell wall formation of bacteria, and bacteria is not able to multiply in the body. Clear? Antibiotic block the cell wall formation of bacteria, and bacteria is not able to multiply. Clear? Because they have such biochemical pathway. But in case of virus, antiviral drugs are not possible because viruses are intermediate. They are neither living nor non-living. Outside the body they are non-living, but when they enter into our body, they don't have any biochemical pathway, biochemical machinery they use. So that's why they are non-living outside, but when they enter into the body of an organism or the host, they start using their machinery and start reproducing. Okay? And they don't have such kind of mechanism that block the wall formation. So it is very difficult, and virus multiply very fast. It mutate very fast, and one drug, like in case of antibiotic, one drug able to control bacterial disease, but in case of antiviral drugs, that viral disease, one drug is not able to control so many virus because virus multiply very fast. Just give you 2 minute time. Read the topic from book regarding AIDS. If you have any doubts, And Varda and Dilpreet, I hope now doubt is clear. But still, if you have any doubts regarding AIDS, let me know right now. I'll just give you 2 minute time. Read the topic thoroughly from the book. Beta, I just given you 2 minutes time. Read the topic and send me message. I'm just waiting for your message. Okay, beta, let me check your messages. I have not received any message from any of the student. It means everything is clear, बच्चे. हाँ जी. Singh Sakhi. Okay, I got a one answer from the Singh Sakhi that how to stop the spread of AIDS. Okay. Now, Isha, everything is clear. Question from Dilpreet. Okay, Navjot, it is clear to you. Varda clear, Anchal clear, Harkirat clear. I got two questions. I'm still waiting. If anyone send me any question, just waiting. Okay, one question I just got from that how we can just prevent from these diseases. Yes, bache, see, we have to just always use sterilized needle, always use sterilized razor which we use for shaving, always use protective barrier, preventive barriers during sexual intercourse to prevent from, because this is a sexually transmitted disease, AIDS, like condoms and any barrier methods, whatever we can just use. In always whenever doctor use needle, always like always check whether that person doctor is using a sterilized needle or using that infected needle. And during that blood donation, always if we are just taking the blood from any person, always check that blood whether it is a uh, free from this disease or not. And one question I just got from Dilpreet that कि अगर if that person को AIDS है तो let me check what was the question from mobile. Let me check. Let me check the question first of all. Dilpreet asked me if someone have AIDS but it has not attacked the immune system and person go for a blood test, gets the AIDS positive, then he cure from the positive. When a person is suffering from AIDS but they want to have a child, so they cannot use. beta, see, if that person is suffering from AIDS, you are talking about the mother, definitely it will be passed to a baby through placenta, because 4th month में always they check for a AIDS test. अगर वो positive है, ठीक है, बट उसके लिए कुछ precautions ले सकते हैं, हो सकता है medicines they can just give medicines to so that it avoid that AIDS move to that pass to fetus through placenta. But still there will be a 90% chances that AIDS will pass to a fetus through that placenta. Clear? Because otherwise it will pass through a breast milk. ठीक है, it will even pass through a labor, during labor delivery के टाइम पे भी पास कर जाता है AIDS. ठीक है, और दिलप्रीत ने बोला है बेटा ऐसा नहीं होता कि वायरस अटैक ना करे इम्यून सिस्टम पे, वायरस का काम ही अटैक करता है इम्यून सिस्टम पे, तो टेस्ट तो पॉजिटिव ही आएगा बच्चे. ऐसा नहीं होता कि वायरस नेवर अटैक ऑन इम्यून सिस्टम. वायरस ऑलवेज, दिस वर्क ऑफ HIV वायरस इज ओनली एंड ओनली टू अटैक ऑफ इम्यून सिस्टम. क्लियर है बेटा? So ऐसा नहीं है, this is not a question कि that virus will not attack on immune system and that person go for a test and test will positive or not. Test will definitely come a positive because that virus always attack on immune system and immune system is not able to produce antibodies. Clear? So this was all about that AIDS. Now come to our next topic. AIDS is completed. It is a sexually transmitted disease. Now come to our next, that is a even that just question asked by that Singh Saki, how we can just control spread of this. We can just control the while to avoid having sexual intercourse with infected person. ठीक है, और this disease is avoided by not having a sexual intercourse with person who might have disease. ठीक है, एंड सो मेनली थिंक यही होता है कि इसको हम यूज कर सकते हैं. वुमेन कैन यूज फैमिडोम, मेल कैन यूज कॉन्डम विच एक्ट एज बैरियर फॉर बैक्टीरियल एंड वायरल डिजीजेस दैट कैन बी पास थ्रू सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स. क्लियर बच्चे? बिकॉज इट इज द मेन सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज. क्लियर? ओके, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है, दिस चैप्टर इज कंप्लीटेड फॉर सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. Now next topic is asexual reproduction. How much time is left? I just give you introduction about this, because after this I'll just give you some question regarding, instead of discussing the topic asexual reproduction, I give you some question to solve. You have to solve that question for the asexual reproduction. Let me ask you some question. Okay, let's discuss some question on, it will be like a MCQs. And asexual reproduction के लिए बच्चे definitely I send you recorded video because it is a very easy topic. It will cover your syllabus also, so that I can start a biomolecule chapter after this, because biomolecule will take only 3 days or you can say 2 days. ठीक है, biomolecule को सिर्फ 2 days लगेंगे because 70% topic we have covered in human nutrition also. क्लियर है बच्चे? इससे क्या होता है, मैं बायोमोलिक्यूल इसलिए करवा रही हूँ बिकॉज नेक्स्ट वीक आपका इससे ह्यूमन न्यूट्रिशन भी काफी सारा रिवाइज हो जाएगा आगे. देन वी विल डिस्कस इनहेरिटेंस एंड वेरिएशन. क्लियर बच्चे? नाउ बेटा नेक्स्ट इज, लेट्स स्टार्ट डिस्कशन ऑन, आई जस्ट गिव यू सम क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट and after solving you have to send it to me. Name the hormones secreted from testes and ovary, and also mention their function. Describe post fertilization changes in flower. Actually, my doctor class is also going on. So that's why. Okay, next question, बच्चे. Name methods, surgical methods for the prevention of pregnancy. Clear? Okay, next question is, what are okay, next question. Why does menstruation occur? Very important question now. Explain why scrotum remains outside the body of human female. Hope I have covered everything. Okay. Next question is, name the structure. A very important question. Name the structure where in human female fertilization of ovum take place. Okay, बच्चे, please do it. Right, please note it down, everyone. Just give you 2-3 minutes. You can just note it down. Actually, ma'am, I just got a laptop with passwords. Hope everyone you have written this. Now, tomorrow, please, I just give you time till tomorrow. You have to just ask me, but you have to send without any reminder. And I got answer from every student. Is that clear? Everyone, you have written this? Okay, but now very soon you will get a recorded video on asexual reproduction. Clear? And your taste for human nutrition. Hope everyone is clear about topics. Still, if you feel during reading any doubt anywhere else, let me know. You can just call me anytime. I just clear your doubts. Bye. Goodbye, beta. Have a nice day. It was a good session today with you. Hope now you will read thoroughly what we have covered today.